Cabinet Minister and also spokesperson of the Meghalaya Government, Lyngdoh, while speaking to newspersons today on the inclusion of the Khasi language into the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, informed that representatives of the state government will soon visit the Indian capital to meet with concerned authorities on the same.
This time around, we also have planned to visit Delhi and meet all the concerned authorities, including the Prime Minister of the country, in order to push for the language, for the demand for the inclusion of the Khasi language to its logical end.
On the pressing public demand for implementation of the inner line permit in the state, Lyngdoh informed that this too would also be one of the items in the agenda when the state delegation meets authorities of the central government at New Delhi.
Well, as you are aware, this matter is also hanging fire. It was under the consideration of the MHA and has also gone to the Parliament of the country. So this will also form part of the agenda when we visit Delhi, which will happen.
When asked about the change of leadership of the United Democratic Party, Lyngdoh responded by saying that the process will be looked into by the UDP's nomination committee.
The nomination committee, in fact, recommends names for each of the different positions in the party, including that of the president. So it is entirely up to the nomination committee. I mean, we do not file nomination papers for any particular post.
So that means the present setup will continue.
Let's see what happens, what the nomination committee recommends.